Hello guy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to create local user in Windows 10 without Microsoft account. Firstly, you go to setting. Click on account. Click on Family and Other Users. Click on Add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Typing the username. Enter your password. It is optional. Please leave it blank if you don't want to put the password. Now you got another one user account in your PC. Go to check it. Go to Control Panel.
Below User Accounts, click on Change Account Type. You can see your new account in here, and you can promote this user account
to the administrator. Click on that account. Click Change the account type. Choose Administrator. Click on Change Account Type. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share to your friend if you think helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more video tips and tricks. Goodbye, see you soon.
Just wait another day, I'll be back soon. And we will be okay, you know I got you.